Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can set up and use Everydollar. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any type of preferred browser and search for Everydollar. Now a bunch of search results will be displayed on your screen. Simply access the first website and click on the Create Your Free Account button. I'm just going to skip these as I have created a brand new account so I can show you exactly what it'll look like when you are starting to create your budget. It automatically comes with some set categories, but you can change them and adapt to you and your specific budget. We start with income because without income, you have nothing to budget. To change it, we can just click right here and rename it. Let's say I get paid twice a month. The first time it's 5,000 and the next time it's 1,000. If you want to rearrange things, you can click on a category, hold it, and drag it to where you want it to go. Next thing in their prearranged budget is giving. If you don't want to do any giving, you can just click on it and select delete the group. If you do want to give, let's say I'm going to give $1,000. If you would like to be as accurate as possible, then you want to set the due date. I'm going to say the 2nd of every month, and I want it to repeat every single month. You can also add categories if you want. Let's say I want to add an example category, and if I want to delete something, click on it and select the trash can to delete it. One of the features I really like with Everydollar is you can make funds. So these are like sinking funds. If you want the money to roll over each month, you can create a fund. Under savings, they have an emergency fund. So if it has this little piggy bank right there, that means it is a fund and I can set the fund detail. Let's say I have $15,000 in my savings account and my emergency fund, and that is my goal. So I have it fully funded. I'm just going to click save, and what will happen is that the entered amount will roll over each month. Let me add another item, funds. We pay yearly, so it's $800 something. So every month I want to put 69 into life insurance. But I want it to add up each month until I pay. So I just click on it, and then over here I can set it as a fund. For my original balance, let's say I don't have anything. My target amount is $830 and I'll save it. So this is for the current month. In the next month, it will carry over. It will already have 69 at the beginning of the month, and then I'll add another 69 to it. I like this because your regular budget is not going to roll over, but your funds will roll over. Now the whole point of a zero-based budget is to get your budget down to zero. Let's say my mortgage is $7,500, so it is going to turn red if I've overspent. But once you got everything down to zero, it'll be green with a check mark saying that you are a zero-based budget, which is the goal. So that's basically how you can set up and use Everydollar. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.